252 cloths brag box, 1 box case. WypAll General Clean X60 multitask cleaning cloths are absorbent and reinforced to stay strong for cleaning performance in light-duty tasks. They absorb water faster than rags. Each white commercial paper towel measures 11.1 by 16.8 and dispenses one at a time from the large brag box. These lightweight cloths contain no adhesives or binders, yet they hold together and don't leave residues behind. To create an effective general-purpose industrial cloth, WypAll combined proprietary HydroKnit fast-absorbing technology with reinforced structure, so you get durability at a great value. WypAll is the #1 brand of disposable wipes in the US and Canada. Create a clean work environment with light to medium-duty general cleaning solutions. Pound for pound, WypAll General Clean X60 multitask cleaning cloths absorb more than 2 times as much water as rags. They bring the absorbing power of HydroKnit technology, for superior absorbency, to a lighter weight cloth. Designed to outperform laundered rags, WypAll General Clean X60 multitask cleaning cloths help raise the standard for general-purpose cloths at a terrific value. They don't use adhesives or binders, so they'll leave no residue behind, and they're reinforced for strength when wet or dry. They can be used for applying thinners and solvents, in cable lubricant removal, adhesive cleaning and removing grease and soil in tight areas. These cleaning towels come in a brag box dispenser and are so sturdy that they can often be used more than once. Once you've used them a few times, they're disposable. They're designed to reduce waste so you spend less. When effectiveness and value top your list of criteria, you can trust WypAll General Clean X60 multitask cleaning cloths to deliver. Top reviews from the United States. Look, if you need these, you need them. If you don't think you need them, you still need them. The paper towels of us Gen X youth. They are stupid strong, and this size is really adequate. This is my 3rd order of this brand of towel, and I will keep coming back. They're obnoxiously good, if you can find a good price. These can replace dish sponges. Most paper towels tear, rip, or fall apart if they're within 2 feet of liquid, unless you get like 5 pieces. These are everything you expect a towel of this size to be. You can't go wrong, if they're a good price.